attractive beauties, hot rods, and muscle cars. Buxom beauty here on a 1933 Ford Victoria Street Road. Wowzer, here's a voluptuous babe in a 1953 Studebaker Commander Starliner Street Rod. Whee! There's a sensuous blonde and a 1963 Corvette Custom Stingray. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. There's an attractive sweetie in a 1973 Chevy Camaro. Sensuous beauty here and a 1983 Chevrolet C10. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.